We're still looking for global warming, and we're going over to the next tab, which is called collections. Collections are something that you can create of your own or other people can create and share it with yourself, with the school, with the district, or the world. So these are other people who have searched the internet and they have found information about global warming and they have decided to collect it and helped it to be available for anyone else in the world. So whenever you want to see what other people have found on a particular topic, you can click on collections. The thing about I like about collections that you can create your own. So if you go over here to the three bars on the left and click on collections, and this is where you'll see collections for Prince George's County. So I made 3 collections so far, and the school district also has a collection of all of our databases. And if you scroll down, you see public collections. And these are collections that are available for all of the public to look at. And here you can search for books on a certain Lexile level or topics. So I can type in global warming again. And I can see people who have put together information about global warming, and it will appear in this area. So let's go back to collections again. So here you'll see featured collections. This is for educators. So the company put together information about all different kind of topics and put it in a collection. And then you have your public collection. This is where anybody in the world can put together something that they want to share. It's called a public collection, and here you'll see different things about books and government, fake news. This is a really good tool if you want to do research. Someone has already found information. You can look at the public collection, and you click on private. So this is what I recommend that you all do. You can create your own private collection. So at the bottom of your computer screen, in this orange circle, is a plus button. And here you can put in information that you want to create for whatever topic that you're searching. Let's say you're doing research in math and you're looking for tutorial sites or whatever. You put in a description, and here you can save something only for yourself or share it with the school or share with anybody in Prince George's County or share with anybody in the world. And you can press create. So here, this is something that you can use for, you can do whatever you want, ninth grade, and you can click on image color. You can change the color of your collection. You can change the image. Wow, this is pretty cool. And this can be personal just for you. And here you click on add an item. Notice you can put a URL, you can upload a file, you can add a note, you can link to a collection, you can make a playlist, you can import a file. So this is a really good tool for you to use whenever you do research. So for example, if I go back to these bars here and I go to Destiny Discover and I find a different topic, whatever I want to find, or a book. Let's say I'm looking at recently added titles or popular, which is the most popular book that students are reading right now. Let's say The Absolute True Diary of a Part-Time Indian. So a lot of people are reading that. Look how many stars it has. It has reviews. You can add your own review. So I can add this to my collection. Let's say I want to read what everybody else is reading. So I can add this to my collection and I can add it to whatever collection that I have created. So this is a really cool tool. And I also like over here on the right, it tells you other books that you may like. Notice how many are checked out. Wow, that's pretty amazing. A lot of people are reading. So this is the feature on Destiny called Collections. So for all of your schoolwork, I recommend that you create a collection. You go to private and click on this little circle down here, and you can add your own collection. So this is really cool. You can save all your research. You don't need a Google code, classroom code, or anything. So this is a really nice tool, and I hope that you guys enjoy using it.